The City of San Antonio's Neighborhood and Housing Services Department is hosting 12 free workshops that could help lower your property tax bill. 10 will be in person and 2 will be virtual. The workshops will help homeowners file property tax exemptions and protest home appraisals. Individual assistance will be available. You do not need to register, but should bring your driver's license or state-issued ID that matches your home's address. If you have one, bring your Social Security award letter showing proof of disability. American Sign Language will be available at all workshops. The workshop information is Workshop number 1, Saturday, April 18th at 10 a.m., located at Highland Forest Elementary School, 3736 Southeast Military Drive. Workshop 2, Monday, April 20th at 6 p.m., located at Toolyard Northeast Service Center, 10303 Toolyard. Workshop 3, Thursday, April 23rd at 6 p.m. Virtual, sa.gov/property tax help. Workshop 4, Monday, April 27th at 6 p.m. Located at True Vine Baptist Church, 435 South Ellison Drive. Workshop 5, Tuesday, April 28th at 6 p.m. Located at St. Luke Catholic Church, 4603 Manitou Drive. Workshop 6, Saturday, May 2nd at 10 a.m., located at San Antonio Food Bank, 5200 Historic Old Highway 90. Workshop 7, Monday, May 4th at 6 p.m., located at St. Matthew Catholic Church, 10703 Wurzbach Road, 78230. Workshop 8, Wednesday, May 6th at 6 p.m., located at Hardberger Park, Urban Ecology Center, 8400 Northwest Military Highway. Workshop 9, Saturday, May 9th at 10 a.m., located at Bracken Ridge High School, 400 Eagle Land Drive. Workshop 10, Monday, May 11th at 6 p.m., First Baptist Church, 515 McCullough Avenue. Workshop 11, Tuesday, May 12th at 6 p.m., virtual, sa.gov/property tax help. Workshop 12, Thursday, May 14th at 6 p.m., located at Second Baptist Church, 3310 East Commerce Street.